Hello, and welcome to another episode of Painting with Seabass. I'm the lead singer for the Demons Gathering, Seabass. So today, I figured we'd draw something nice and adorable again, get back to our roots. I think we're gonna draw ourselves a nice dog. Who likes dogs? Personally, I'm not a big fan of them myself. They smell funny, they talk a lot. But that's okay. I like the bigger ones though. The ones that could rip your face off. Look like wolves. Yeah, that's what we're going for there. See? There's a dog head. You could give it some eyes if you want. Got some ears. Good. All right. There's one time when I was out on tour. I had one of the sound techs had a dog. Little thing, looked like an overgrown rat. And yeah, it kind of had fur that did this, you know. They look like a carpet, sorta. There, all right, yeah, it looked like an overgrown rat. And one time we were out on tour and it shit on my bed. Oh, I went up and I got up to take a piss, and oh my God, when I got back, there was so much shit. It was like Amber Heard. I fired him. I told him that we couldn't keep his dog around. And he said, if you're gonna get rid of the dog, you may as well get rid of me. And so we gave him his paycheck and paid him farewell. Well, there you go. There's a nice puppy for you. That's the poo. And always, there you go, a nice puppy. And always don't forget, have a great day.